Hi guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. How are you doing, guys? I just do hope that we're all doing fine despite the most difficult situation we're facing nowadays in our crisis, the COVID crisis. By the way, for a first timer in our channel, I can only say something. Please subscribe. Okay, so the last time I discussed to you an emulsified sauce used in the hot kitchen, which is the Hollandaise. Okay, from the Hollandaise you can make a lot of variation. You can make a béarnaise, a sauce boyot, a sauce choron, etc., etc. And today I'll be discussing to you an emulsified sauce used in the cold kitchen, which is called mayonnaise. So this is just a basic, because you can make a lot of variation from the basic mayonnaise. You can make a Thousand Island dressing, a tartar sauce, a French dressing, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of variation and derivations that you can come up from the basic mayonnaise. Okay guys, we'll start to make the emulsified sauce mayonnaise. So these are our ingredients. We have egg yolk. This is 3 pieces egg yolk, and of course our olive oil, about 500 ml, and a little water, plus calamansi juice, and about 1 teaspoon of mustard, and of course salt and pepper. The ratio of salt and pepper is 1:2. So 1 part pepper and 2 parts salt. You just have to mix it together to have a balanced seasoning of salt and pepper. So now we will start. First, you have to have a container wherein you will cover it with wet towel, and then you will just put the bowl on top. This is to avoid the bowl to be moving while making the mayonnaise. Okay, we'll start. First, you have to put the eggs in the mixing bowl. Then we will add the mustard. Okay, and then slowly we will pour raw olive oil. So you have to pour the oil slowly into the mixture. But you have to maintain the speed of your wire whisk. Way back during my intercontinental days, I used to make a half barrel of mayonnaise every day, because we don't use mayonnaise that is bought in the groceries. Okay. This is also how to make a Caesar salad dressing. You just have to add from the very start a very finely chopped garlic, and then towards the end we'll just have to add chopped anchovies. Okay, and then some cheese. Okay. Okay, the first 1 cup is already there. Now we will add the second 1 cup. So this is how to make a basic mayonnaise. Remember, this falls under the category of emulsified sauce because this is an emulsion, meaning we incorporate air by constant beating. So this kind of sauce is used in the cold kitchen because for the hot kitchen we are using the Hollandaise sauce. Okay. You have to put something underneath with a wet towel so that your bowl would not be moving when you're preparing mayonnaise. So almost done, but if you want, you can still add some more oil. Okay, now we will season it with our salt and pepper. So, okay. Actually, I added another cup of oil. So now, our mayonnaise is ready to use. Now, for purpose, okay, I already squeezed in one calamansi juice. Okay, for variations, here you just have to add mustard, a little bit more mustard, and then vinegar, and then a little bit of chicken stock, so that you can come up with your own mayonnaise-based French dressing. And then the rest will be definitely some more derivation, like you can add fruit like orange, you can add pineapple. That's the variation. Well, I believe I have shown you very clearly on how to make an emulsified sauce for the cold kitchen, and this is the mayonnaise. So mayonnaise is just a basic in the cold kitchen that falls under the category of emulsified sauce. There's a lot of variation or derivation from the basic mayonnaise. You can make a Thousand Island dressing, a tartar sauce, French dressing. You know, there's a lot, fruit flavored French dressing. You can make a lot, you know, of the derivation, and you can make a lot of salads. And we'll talk about it when we talk about the cold kitchen. So, meanwhile, I believe that it's very clear. So, before I forget, first timers, subscribe. And so, thank you for watching, and see you again next video. And I will be discussing another basic sauce, and this is the hot butter sauce. Okay, so see you next video. And this is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. God bless us all.